Xerox Corporation is a multinational document technology company founded in 1906. The company is best known for inventing the photocopier, which revolutionized office document management and productivity worldwide. In addition to its core business, Xerox established the Xerox Palo Alto Research Center, also known as PARC. PARC was responsible for several groundbreaking innovations such as the graphical user interface, Ethernet networking, and laser printing, which later influenced the modern computing industry. Despite these significant technological contributions, Xerox faced challenges in translating innovation into long-term competitive success. With the rise of digital transformation, the demand for paper-based document solutions significantly declined. However, Xerox continued to rely heavily on its traditional photocopy business model and failed to adapt quickly to the changing market. Furthermore, many innovations developed internally, particularly at Xerox PARC, were not successfully commercialized by the company itself. As a result, Xerox gradually lost its competitive advantage. Therefore, objectives of this study are to analyze Xerox's organizational decline, apply the SCAMPER creativity technique, and propose innovative and visible solutions that could enhance Xerox's competitiveness in the digital era.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Al-Farisi. Today I will talk about the problem diagnosis of Xerox using the Scamper creativity tools. Xerox was once a leader in the photocopying industry. However, even though the company created many important technologies, it fails to maintain its competitive advantage. The main issue was not a lack of creativity, but poor management of innovation and weak commercialization strategy. To analyze this problem, the Scamper tools was used. Scamper helps companies question their existing product, process, and strategies in a structured way. From the analysis, several weaknesses were identified. First, under substitute, Xerox continued to depend on traditional copier sellers instead of moving toward digital service and software solution. Under combine, Xerox failed to integrate its hardware with digital technology like cloud service, while competitors offered more complete solution. Next, in terms of adapt and modify, Xerox struggled to turn its advanced technology into products that match customer needs. Instead of creating new value, the company focused on small improvements in an industry that was already declining. Many of its technology could also have been used for digital collaborations, but this opportunity were not fully explored. Lastly, bureaucratic list system and a rigid top-down structure slowed decision-making and limited employee creativity. In conclusion, Xerox's downfall was used by over-reliance of outdated business models, poor commercializations, and a flexible organizational culture. This shows that innovations alone is not enough without effective management. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Wan Hakimi Imran. For creative and innovative solution, the first one is management structure. Xerox needs to change how it leads and make decisions. Leaders should inspire innovation, empower team, and support new ideas. Decision making must be faster and more decentralized, using data and AI to stay aligned with customer needs. Finally, building a culture of innovation through hubs, collaboration, and learning from failure will make creativity part of everyday work, system, and processes. To succeed, Xerox must streamline workflow with lean and agile method, focusing on customer needs. Technology adoption is a key. AI for automation, cloud for scalability, blockchain for security, and IoT for smarter service. Continuous quality improvement using Kaizen, Six Sigma, and customer feedback will help Xerox rebuild the trust to stay competitive. By transforming leadership, decision-making, and system, Xerox can become more agile, innovative, and customer-focused in the digital era.
Xerox needs to redefine its business model and optimize performance. First, it should shift from being seen as a photocopier company to a full digital solution provider, emphasizing document management workflow, automation, and cybersecurity while leveraging its innovation history. Revenue should be moved from a subscription-based model into offering tight pricing and premium services to attract a wider customer base. Customer engagement must be modernized through personalized digital platform, AI-driven support, and co-creation program market. Repositioning is key. Xerox should brand itself as a trusted digital transformation partner, targeting healthcare, finance, and education, expanding into emerging markets and forming a strategic partnerships with technology leaders. Finally, operational performance can be optimized by automating repetitive tasks and considering business units, simplifying workflow, and focusing on a scalable high-demand solution. These steps will make Xerox more competitive, agile, and customer-focused.
Hi, my name is Vedamani. Today I would like to present about implementation roadmap. Implementation roadmap, which shows how Xerox can act on the solution that they have proposed. In the short term, Xerox will set up an innovation task force, pilot SaaS services, and flatten its hierarchy to ensure faster decision. In the medium term, the company will scale SaaS globally, integrate AI into its system, and form partnership with cloud providers like Microsoft and AWS. In long term, Xerox will reposition itself as a digital transformation partner, diversity into collaboration tools and new markets, and optimize global operations through automotive. Each stage have clear KPIs such as subscription revenue, employee participants, and cost reduction are all along with risk strategy to ensure the plan is realistic and impactful. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Sohel. For our conclusion about Xerox case study, Xerox decline was mainly caused by slow decision making, a centralized and non-agile innovation process, heavy reliance on hardware, and weak integration between digital and physical solutions. Although the company was highly inventive, this weakness prevented it from turning innovation into sustainable competitive advantage. Using the Scamper creativity tool, we systematically analyzed these issues and highlighted the missed opportunities for commercializing their innovation. Based on the findings, we propose solutions across management, process, business model, and performance optimization. This includes transformational leadership, decentralized decision making, adoption of digital technologies, subscription-based revenue model, and process simplification. Our implementation roadmap shows that these solutions are practical and achievable through short-term, medium-term, and long-term initiatives, with measurable KPIs and risk mitigation strategies to ensure successful execution. The key takeaway is that structures creativity tools like Scamper are essential for aligning innovation with strategy, adapting to fast-changing market environments, and achieving long-term sustainability. In other words, with proper innovation management, Xerox could have maintained its competitive edge and strengthened its presence as a digital transformation leader. Thank you.